Do you ever feel like you're not overweight, but you're also not lean? You've got no muscles popping, a soft stomach, skinny arms, and your clothes just don't fit right on you. That's not just poor dieting or poor training, that's hormonal. And if you don't fix it, your body will stay stuck in soft mode no matter how clean you eat. Let's break down what skinny fat is, because it's not just about body fat. There are 3 hormonal drivers of that skinny fat look that I know you need to know. Number 1, low testosterone means low muscle signal. Testosterone is the architect, my guy. Without it, your body doesn't build, it just maintains fat and it breaks down all the muscle that you want to gain. You'll feel soft, you'll lose strength, and you'll shrink in all the wrong places. Number 2, high estrogen is locking in your fat storage. If estrogen is high, specifically, relative to your low testosterone, your body is going to hold fat in your chest, your stomach, and even in your hips. That's why some guys be looking like their mama out here. Even if you're not eating much, even if you're working out, your body's priority becomes storage, not structure. Number 3, chronically elevated cortisol worsens everything. Stress hormone equals muscle breakdown, fat retention, poor sleep, and even low sex drive. And guess what? Skinny fat men almost always have disrupted cortisol rhythms. So the goal isn't just to lose weight, which most guys say. The goal is to fix the signals that are blocking your body from changing. So let me give you a 3-step action plan if you're one of these guys who suffer from this. Number 1, lift for strength, not sweat. I want you to focus on compound lifts, mechanical tension, and progressive overload. Add more weights to the bar every week. No more boot camp circuits. Start building muscle, not just burning calories. Number 2, prioritize protein consistently. Skinny fat guys are almost always under eating protein. You need at least 1 gram per pound of goal weight. No exceptions, my guy. Number 3, run a hormone panel. This is very important. You cannot fix what you do not measure. Get your testosterone, your estradiol, and your cortisol all checked. Fix the chemistry. Guess what that's going to do? It's going to fix your body composition. Now, let me give you a picture that explains the skinny fat trap perfectly, in case you're still wondering what's going on. Think of your body like a house with cheap drywall. From a distance, it looks okay, but if you lean on it, it folds. You have no foundation, no strength. That's skinny fat. Your frame's small, your tissues are weak, and your hormones are all but absent, meaning you basically ain't got nothing there. You don't need more cardio, because I see these guys all the time in the gym with cardio. You need a better blueprint that includes strength training. And that's exactly what I address when these guys walk into my clinic frustrated and confused. Most skinny fat men I see, they've tried diets, they've tried push-ups, they've tried eating clean, but their blood work tells the truth. Low testosterone, high estrogen. Most of these guys have very high estradiol levels, which is estrogen, and they have 0 recovery. Their training isn't really the issue. It's more hormonal signals that are causing the issues that they're having. Once we fix their hormones, once they continue to train, guess what? Their strength comes up, their fat melts, and their clothes fit different. They become real men again. And if that's what you want, it starts with the first step. The first step is very simple. Watch the Fab 5 hormones class. I'll walk you through every hormone that matters for lean mass and real transformation. Next, take the free testosterone scorecard and see if your body's actually sending the right signals or if you're just being sabotaged. It is a free online diagnostic scorecard I created myself, and I give it to men when they walk into the clinic. It helps them become the best version of themselves, and it's 100% free. The links for both of these, the Fab 5 classes, in a related video down below, and the actual testosterone scorecard is in the description. Check the description out for both of these. As always, guys, I'm Hormone Man of Health channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. And before you watch that next video, push subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's get started on that video now.